Good morning and welcome to Nuts and Bolts. My name is Victor Baba Emmanuel Aligo, and today we will delve into the laws of mastery. And just as life, the laws of mastery are pegged, are hinged, and are subject to the laws of mastery of time, and therefore the laws of mastery of time precede the laws of mastery. In a nutshell, this is what I'm saying, that before you can master any given expertise, you must exercise mastery over time. So this is very important. If we are to be the sought after authorities in our given fields of expertise, we must have a mastery of time. It's that simple and plain. As a matter of fact, time is the SI unit of life. That's why we have lifetime. The moment time ceases, our life ceases. Thank you.